Hello and welcome back to Stress-Free Movements. It's been some time since our last video, and I truly missed this community. Today I want to share something close to my heart: the silent habits that are secretly draining your peace. You might not notice them day to day, but they slowly pile up until you feel heavy, restless, and stressed. By the end of this video, I promise you'll not only recognize those habits, but also learn simple shifts to free yourself. As one wise saying goes, don't let your mind become a cage. Teach it to be a garden. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was talking to a friend who seemed completely fine on the outside. Good job, good family, good health. But then he admitted, every night I feel restless. My thoughts just won't stop, and I wake up tired, even if I sleep for 8 hours. I realized something. Stress doesn't always come from big problems. Often, it's the small daily habits that quietly eat away at our peace. Think about it. How many times have you scrolled your phone late at night, comparing yourself to others, or agreed to something you didn't want to do just to avoid disappointing someone? If you said yes, then today's video is exactly for you. Let's uncover 4 silent habits that build up stress. First, overthinking the future. We ask ourselves endless questions. What if I fail the exam? What if I lose my job? What if things never work out? The truth is, 90% of the things we fear never actually happen. But by living in these imagined futures, we destroy our present peace. Instead of asking, what if it goes wrong? Ask, what if it goes right? Second, saying yes when you want to say no. Have you ever said yes to a plan, a favor, or extra work even though you were exhausted? Most of us do this because we don't want to upset others, but every time you do it, you silently betray yourself. Remember, saying no doesn't make you selfish. It makes you honest. Try gentle phrases like, I wish I could, but I can't take this on right now. Third, endless scrolling and comparison. Picture this. You open your phone for just 5 minutes, and suddenly 40 minutes are gone. You've seen hundreds of happy photos, perfect vacations, and luxury lifestyles, and you start feeling like your own life is small. But remember, social media is a movie, not real life. No one posts their arguments, tears, or lonely nights. Instead, limit your scrolling time. Even 20 to 30 minutes less a day can reduce your anxiety massively. Fourth, ignoring rest. We live in a world that glorifies being busy. We wear tiredness like a badge of honor. Look how hard I'm working. But your brain is not a machine, it's a living organ. Without enough rest, you can't focus, you can't create, and you can't stay calm. Guard your sleep. Make it a priority, not a luxury. Now, how do we fight back against these habits? For overthinking, train yourself to return to the present. Ask, what is one small step I can take right now? For people-pleasing, remind yourself, every no I say to others is a yes I say to myself. For scrolling, replace that time with something meaningful. Read 2 pages of a book, listen to calming music, or simply sit quietly with your thoughts. For lack of rest, create a bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put your phone away, and treat sleep as sacred. Here's something powerful I've learned. Stress itself is not always the enemy. Stress is like a signal, your body saying, please pay attention. Something is out of balance. Instead of fighting stress, listen to it. If you feel restless, maybe you need to slow down. If you feel overwhelmed, maybe it's time to let go of something that's not serving you. As another saying goes, The mind is like water. When it's agitated, it's hard to see, but when it calms down, clarity appears. So today, I want you to choose just one habit, only one from what we discussed. Maybe it's saying no when you need to. Maybe it's sleeping earlier. Maybe it's putting down your phone. Small changes lead to big results. If you enjoyed this session, please like this video, share it with someone who needs peace today, and subscribe to Stress-Free Movements for more weekly reminders of calm and clarity. And remember, peace doesn't come from a perfect life. It comes from small daily choices that protect your mind and soul.